In front of me is OSCAL C20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. Then select this gear one, hit voice typing and use the switcher to activate it. Now go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone. Select while using the app or only this time. And start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can simply stop talking or click on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!